Hi guys, so check this out. We're in Missouri and we're taking a detour because we're in this weird place that we would go to, but it's within like the Route 66 area, and we're at this place right here in Missouri, and the place is called Uranus. Yes, you heard exactly what I said. It's a fudge factory that says what? Uranus? Time, but we're just gonna, check out the spot a little bit, and we'll show you guys what's inside. The sign says, "We'll grab your nuts." Okay, so there's this, what would you call this? A rocket?
Yes, a rocket.
That says Astroliner. The words are just hilarious. I should have brought my sticker. Well, anyways, here you go. There. This is the sign. I should have brought my stickers. Very old stuff here. You see that one? It says Uranus Ice Cream Company, homemade and hand dipped. And then over there it says Fort Uranus. It looks like somebody bobtailed over here.
I said I'm surprised that sign over there doesn't say "Eat Uranus."
So there's a dinosaur here. Nice an old dinosaur. And then we got the Uranus Fire Department truck. It's actually pretty cool. Oh, there's a teddy bear inside. The teddy bear is driving. And looks like there's different hubcaps all around the playground. And then you got a windmill right up there. And then a double-decker bus that says the Funk Yard. I wonder if you can go inside, but I doubt it. And then you look, there's a skeleton right inside. Looks like kids can, the dogs could have just came here. The dogs could have came here. It says pick up after your pet. Oops, sorry. Here's the other side of the double-decker bus. That sign back there says Uranus Picker. Looks like they sell ice cream here. Doesn't look like anybody's inside. You got the astronaut alien guy right there. Uranus Creamery. Okay. And look at this. You gonna put your head in there? Okay, so you guys, tell me, what movie is Jeremiah doing right now? Comment below if you know what movie that's from.
Which ass do I look like the best?
I don't know. You're funny. Oh, and they even have a police car. You heard what Jeremiah said. If you heard it, it says to serve and protect Uranus. They said what they said. What's in here? Baby rattlers. Oh, you get it?
Yeah.
This is baby rattlers, and it's literally baby rattlers. Oh my goodness. I felt really good for that one. It's fake, you guys, so it ain't real. Just so you know. What?
Put your hand in there.
No way. You put your hand in there. You gotta be careful where you stick your hand in. What's that? Mr. Johnson? Is he in there? No.
Johnson a stroke. He likes it.
What? That's too funny. That says violators will be violated in Uranus. By the order of the mayor of Uranus, hashtag Uranus Mo, hashtag Fudge Life, hashtag I love Uranus. And you got Cat, Sword Swallower. There you go. There's Mayor Louie and Miss Tiffany. Yeah. That's hilarious. Now let's check the store inside.
I said, give me the best. Now I'm waist deep with the fudge on my chest. My lips said, damn, this is plush. Had to double dip, couldn't get enough of that hush. Deep in your anus.
This is not too funny. Their theme song's hilarious though. Let's go. Let's go, honey.
Listening to Uranus.
Jeremiah is enjoying this right now.
Yep.
Anyways, let's check inside. Oh, duh.
Whoa, Uranus!
Step right up for another amazing banger by Lex Blaze and Daddy Paul. Touchdown to Heathrow, DP and me, bro. About to hit the club and turn the shit into a freak show. Look through the peephole, everybody geek, yo. Need to get girl with an extremely deep though. C6 midgets that be fighting, juggling. Maybe it's just me, cause my mind is struggling. Babes, boyfriend is acting like a clown. You know what's going down every time that we in town. Take a look through the peephole, yo, everybody's getting geek, bro. Stop the hate and let them neeks know that we turn the club into a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club, yeah, we turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club into a freak show.
To be in Uranus with the kids.
And I can't wait to pull into Uranus.
I want to be in Uranus.
Love to Uranus! There we go. Sydney, I'll sing it for you. We're gonna need the back of this.
Yes.
Alrighty. It's gonna be 5106 for you. You can tap, swipe, or insert it, whatever you're inserting.
I like the comeback.
Always got to tap it in. And since I'm spending over $20, give you a copy of our magazine. It's all news about Uranus, no advance.
Are you okay with being in my video? Awesome. Thank you so much.
Here's a receipt.
Thank you.
Poking around Uranus and watch out for any boxes, skin boxes.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. That is our little tour of Uranus Fudge Factory. Yeah. So that's what was inside, and they all said thanks for picking Uranus. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Comment below, let us know what you like about the video, and we'll show you guys more of our, our trucking lifestyle out here. So yeah, we'll show you guys more where we're gonna be next. Bye guys. There goes our boy Blue. Oh my gosh, we're so close to the ground right now. Look at that.